Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video we will be learning how to delete continue watching on Netflix. To delete continue watching items on Netflix is easy. First of all, open up your Netflix app on your device or simply log in to netflix.com website. Here I'm already logged into my netflix.com website. After logging in, go ahead and scroll down to continue watching list, which will be available in the main homepage. Locate the specific title you want to delete from your continue watching list, and once you find it, click on this cross or remove from now button while you mouse over to the content. Once you click on that, give any reason why you are trying to clear out the content, select any one options, and then you will then be able to delete the specific content from your continue watching list from Netflix. So that is how you easily delete an item from continue watching. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.